Okay, guys, check it. So we're out here to feed the birds again. But I took some old dead twigs and limbs, whatever you want to call it, right? Got some with nice multiple points on it, so they got plenty of perches. And just wedged them up in here in the pipes that I got that for weight for the water catchment system. And then here's the feeder. And I'm gonna just set the tripod down here, and we're gonna walk off for a little bit and see what we catch. On video, of course, right? And not a trap like that. Okay, turn around. Okay, fold the feet out. Okay, set it down here. Right here like that. Okay. Yep, now where's the feeder? Right there, so we get just a tray in the bottom of the shot, and then the limbs all around. All right, come on. We have some spilt in the sled. I noticed the sled getting some action, so let's set the sled up under this awning type structure, whatever you want to call it. Really, it's water catchment, but it depends on the use, right? So if I'm using it to channel the water into the tote, it's water catchment. But if I'm putting something under it to stay dry, it's an awning. I don't know. It's just how it makes me feel like, you know, what to call it. Extra weight. Yeah, that's better. Okay, how long has this been? 18 minutes? I don't know what you think, guys, because yeah, I was getting a pretty good shot of that, and it's getting dark. So let's just call it. I'll flip this around. This is a cool little tripod here. The feet fold down into a handle, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to turn it around. There we go. We'll head on back on out. 19 minutes. Yeah, it's probably be about a 21-minute video. Head back up to the truck, and we're going to go ahead and go get some dinner. I assume Blackjack's in his pen. Don't know. Didn't see him. Alright. Snow's going away. Now it's all just mud tracks, and snow packs and mud tracks. Boy. And tired legs. Holy cow. Oh, look. You see the moon? Huh. Whoops. Okay. Thing. Nice big moon right there. Oh. It's chilly. Look at this. He's like a middle son. Jake got me that for Father's Day way back in like 08 maybe. And Aurora got me that frog and those 3 solar lights for Father's Day in what, 2021 maybe, something like that. Alright, this is treacherous right here. Nasty, funky, muddy mud. Look like Blackjack come running up this way. But yeah, this stuff's packing down super tight now. Well, that's what we got. And I could hear water draining through the creek somewhere. It sounds funny. Unless that's Rome on the Lappy. And then here's the guy across the stream. He gets rose rocks just washing, just bubbling up out of this. I don't see any right now. Normally you can just like stand here and see one right after another, but I don't see any. Huh. I don't know. Oh, look where Rome was over here throwing rocks. Look at that. It looks like watered down ketchup. Watered down ketchup. Oh. Huh. That's weird. Well, hopefully his kids have one over here gathered up all the rose rocks. I sure hate when people come out here and scavenge up all our rose rocks. That's why I have taught Rome to not come over here and get his rose rocks. See, it's not our property. We got rose rocks on our property. Don't be over there messing with John and Ashley's stuff. Property. Stuff. Whatever. What's this one? Oh, no. What's that? No, that one's weird. That ain't one. No, I don't know, guys. It's just one of those times when it's time for me to leave, and it's hard for me to leave. I'm not ready to leave, but I need to leave. If you could feel or hear my stomach, you'd be like, Vandal, just go, bro. You're about to starve to death. But I don't feel like it. Oh, look, here we go. There's kind of a couple. I don't really have. Oh, look, here's one with good formation. Yeah. Well, I'm just gonna leave it. I ain't even gonna pick around or anything. I'm not gonna disturb their stuff. I actually one time had to drive up there and get them because some guy out here in a U-Haul truck, all up in their creek, all up on their little bluff back there, scavenging their rose rocks. And water runs down into the Tin Horn here. What I'd like to scavenge is some of these balls of clay. I can do some building projects. Oh wow! Oh god, that's gushy. I'll just get up out of here. Good thing I got my boots on though. Boy, what a sloppy mess. Oh my god. Man, it's cold. Oh man, duck races tonight. Dang it. I gotta hurry up and get back and get stuff in order. Aye. Well, I should have plenty of time though, hopefully. I mean, if not, we'll see what happens. I mean, there's no choice. Either make it or don't. Okay. Oh, there's a truck. There's a truck. There's the homie baloney. Okay, since I made it up here, go ahead, deuces. Right. Deuces, y'all. I got a sweet sticker board made. I'll show y'all later in another video. Stay productive. Stay positive. Enjoy everything. And homie, your line.
Never give up.
Never give up. Because no one is promised tomorrow. That being said, we're going to go get out of here. Enjoy the day. And reflect on the day that we had. Get some dinner and maybe possibly think about the day we're going to have tomorrow. Or maybe not even give it too much thought. And look here. Boom.
What time is it?
Time to leave. I don't know what time it is, dude.
No, like actually.
Deuces. Here, let me spin it around so I can zoom in on it. Boom, where is that? Oh my gosh, I don't know if you could hear that or not. My stomach just said, you better hurry up and quit recording and go feed me. Yeah, it's not on the focus very good, is it? That's not bad. All right, later, y'all.